Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add Pinterest feed to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets. And one of the widgets they make is Pinterest feed. So let's click sign up for free, and you want to sign with the Gmail and Facebook or normal mail. When you got it, click login. Right here in applications, you just want to write in the search and write one thing, and it's Pinterest. And then you see here Pinterest feed. So let's create a widget. And you can simply choose between Pinterest profile, boards gallery, pins gallery, sidebar widget. I'm going with the Pinterest profile here. And just go continue with the template. Then you get like layout here, profile, boards that you can add. Add your profile, add your boards if you have some layout, style, and change the colors. Then just go to top right, click save. Right after you do, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. Now, you just want to go to search widget, HTML. Take the HTML, paste it, and paste the code here. And voila, here you got it. So what you can do now, you can also change the width and height in Elsite settings. You could just preview the website and you got it. So this is how you can add Pinterest feed to your Elementor website. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, goodbye.